This video resolves the iPhone blue screen issue in 7 ways. Learn the possible reasons for this issue first and see the detailed guides to fix it. Part 1. Why is my iPhone screen turning blue? The main causes of the iPhone's blue screen are 1. System failure. Issues within the iOS system can disrupt the display, causing a blue screen crash. 2. Hardware problems. Failures in key components like the display or battery may lead to the blue screen. 3. App conflicts. Incompatible apps or bugs can crash the system and trigger a blue screen. 4. Software update failures. Problems during system updates may cause a crash, resulting in the blue screen. Part 2. How to fix iPhone blue screen of death. Here are 7 effective ways to fix it. You can try them one by one. Fix 1. Force restart iPhone. iPhone 6 seconds or older. Press and hold the sleep, wake, and home buttons until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7. Press and hold the volume down and side buttons until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 8 and later, press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Fix 2. Update to the latest iOS. Step 1. Make sure your iPhone is charged and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Head to Settings, General Software Update to check for updates. Step 3. Tap the Download and Install button to update your device. Fix 3. Restore iPhone using iTunes. If you have iTunes installed on your computer, you can use it to fix the blue screen of death by restoring the system. However, it's important to note that using iTunes to restore your iPhone will erase all data on the device. Before proceeding, make sure to create a backup. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes or Finder if you're using macOS Catalina or later. Step 2. When your iPhone appears in iTunes or Finder, select it. Step 3. Click Restore iPhone and follow the on-screen instructions to reset the device to its factory settings. Once the restore is complete, your iPhone will restart, and you can restore your data from a previous backup. Fix 4. Restore iPhone in recovery mode. Step 1. Link your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable and open iTunes. Step 2. Force restart on your iPhone, but keep pressing the button S until you see the Apple logo. Step 3. Release the button S when you see the iTunes logo. It means that your iPhone has booted into recovery mode. Step 4. You will see a window pop up in iTunes, asking you whether to restore or update your iPhone. Choose Update. Step 5. If the update option doesn't work, try Restore. Note that doing so will wipe out all data on your iPhone. Fix 5. Put iPhone in DFU mode. But be aware that doing this may brick your device if it is physically damaged or water damaged before. Also, all data on your device will be deleted. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable. Step 2. Press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds. Step 3. While pressing the power button, press and hold the volume down button for 10 seconds. Note that if you see the Apple logo, it means you've pressed the buttons too long. Please start all over again. Step 4. Release the power button, but keep holding the volume down button for 5 seconds. If you see the screen stay black, you've entered the DFU mode successfully. Step 5. A window will pop up and tell you that iTunes has detected your iPhone. Just follow the prompts to restore your iPhone. Fix 6. Using iOS system recovery without data loss. If you want to get rid of the iPhone blue screen without losing any data or encountering any other error messages, we recommend that you try iOS system recovery. Step 1. Download and launch the software on your Windows or Mac computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. Click More Tools at the bottom left and then select iOS system recovery. Step 2. Click the Start button, and the program will detect your iPhone blue screen issue automatically. Follow the instructions shown on the screen to turn your iPhone into recovery or DFU mode. Step 3. Check and confirm your iPhone information as prompted. After that, click the Repair button to begin repairing. The software will download the latest firmware version for your device. When it is complete, the iPhone blue screen of death problem will be fixed. Fix 7. Contact Apple support. If the blue screen issue persists, it may be due to a hardware failure. Contact Apple's official support for assistance. You can visit an Apple store or schedule an appointment online, providing details of the issue for diagnostics and repair.